No influencer privilege is where I ghost by Wigs. Unfortunately, there are vendors out there that will send influencers one thing and send the everyday customer something else. And we trying to nip that in the bud, okay? They do not know that these wigs will end up in my hands. This vendor was highly requested. I got you. You know how lace fronts used to look when they first came out. Just bam. And I had me one or two. That's when I was first learning. So don't come at me like that. I didn't know no better and y'all showed didn't tell me. We just gonna hold on to God's unchanging hand, okay? That's how they said. They said that. Without further ado, y'all just don't even realize. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Well, hello cousins. Hi guys. Hello. Is my camera crooked? It's looking a little tilted. What is happening here? Why are we looking lost and turned out? This is not... Oh. Is that right? Is that bad? Oh no. Oh. Hey. Let's see, this is... We just gonna hold on to God's unchanging hand, okay? What's going on, y'all? I am bringing you another episode of No Influencer Privilege. I'm so happy to be back doing these. Y'all, this camera is crooked and it's really bothering me. I thought I could move past it. I really did. Why are we doing this today? Why? Oh. I don't even know if anything happened. No influencer privilege is where I ghost by Wigs. I do this so that I can see what you guys get as the everyday consumer, okay? Unfortunately, there are vendors out there that will send influencers one thing and send the everyday customer something else. And we trying to nip that in the bud, okay? So we gathering data. For those of you who don't know, I have a very sophisticated way of doing this. They do not know that these wigs will end up in my hands. Know that. This is the sun. So yes, these are not sponsored videos, obviously. Today's wig, it is something that I've seen quite a few influencers wear, and it looks very cute. This company was highly requested when I asked you guys, what vendor do you want to see, so that you guys get a better feel for the vendor. The hope is that everything works out so you guys can go out and get the wigs that you have been eyeing. You just want to see first how they're coming at it. Like, what are they going to send the everyday customer, so you can make sure that that's what you're going to get. I totally get that. So without further ado, this vendor was highly requested, and I'm talking about none other than Love Me Hair. Love Me. Y'all really wanted Love Me Hair to be a part of this series. So I got you. Like I said, I did my research to kind of see what's popping. What are they pushing? Bam. And I got a wig, y'all. This is the package sauce. Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair. Oh, yeah. Yes. So let's see. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. I know that's right. We are going to enjoy our hair journey henceforth, now and forever. Okay, I gotta get a little $5 off. Is it $5 off? We have the user's guide. Oh, she's beautiful. User's guide. Bam. The edge whisper. Oh, this is nice and soft, you guys. This one is good and soft. There's the comb end. There's the brush end. This edge whisperer brush will not snatch out your thoughts and hopes and dreams along with your edges, okay? That's good and soft. I like that. Oh, some earrings. Some little silver hoops. Bam. Yeah. That's nice. And we also have the melt band. This particular wig is supposed to be glueless, but for when you are melting your wig, bam, you think it's a game, it's clearly not. That's how we rocking with it, period. It's supposed to be pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, Pre-everything. That's how they say it. They said that. Here's the wig. This is a 12-inch wig, pre-curled highlight. It's a short wig. It's actually, the highlights look very pretty. It's a 5x5, I believe, closure. 5 inches this way, 5 inches to the back, which can give you a very nice part. You know, my optimal preference as far as parting space is 6 inches back, but 5 inches is cool. These knots have indeed been bleached. That's one of their claims. That is, in fact, true. Come on. Want my face so bad. The front has been pre-plucked, just like they said it was. Okay, now this level of plucking for me is good. I'm good with this, but I know for the people who like those real deep plucked areas, you might want to go in and pluck a little bit more, okay? But as far as me, I'm not super picky about that. As long as it has a nice start for pre-plucking, you know what I'm saying? As long as that hairline is not thick and dense, you know what I'm saying? You don't want that line to be like, you know how lace fronts used to look when they first came out? Just bam. And I had me one or two. That's when I was first learning. So don't come at me like that. I didn't know no better and y'all sure didn't tell me. That's just where we are with that. But thank God that there was a ram in the bush, because see, somebody got a hold of one of those wigs, probably right here on YouTube, and said, listen, y'all, we can't be out here down and out like this. We cannot be out here and allow these wigs to bring us down like that because that hairline is so thick. I'm about to take these tweezers right here and I am going to try to do something. And that person probably plucked a whole bald spot in there. Girl. Man, she said, but I can't give up. I got to try again. Next time she did it, take a little part, bring it down, and then pluck behind it. And let's see how we, okay, there we go. And then the vendors got a hold of it and they start pre-plucking their wigs, and they didn't get a kitchen beautician not damn bit of credit for it. And then I know it's a whole bunch of y'all also that's been doing that since the 1700s, because that be the other thing. She didn't create that. We've been doing that. I know. Okay. Y'all been doing that since the Ice Age. I realize. So then everybody started pre-plucking, because that was not what God called for us. And then we was ignorant on top of ignorant and bringing it all the way down here. Child, I don't know how any of us considered that to be what's up, but we did, and we were swooping that hair to the side with pride. You understand what I'm saying to you? You got to thank God for increase, because baby,
these wigs pre-plucked now.
The hair, you have your elastic, and it looks like it is removable. Oh, it is removable as well as adjustable. That, y'all, boy, come on now. 4 combs. 2 off to the side with pride, 1 immediately in the back of the closure, and 1 at the bottom of the wig. Generally, I always use this bottom comb. Every once in a while, I use these side combs, but you got to be very careful with these side combs, y'all. Don't do it if your hair is tight. Just don't do it, okay? I would rather you glue this down than to depend on these for security. If you know you have like tight braids underneath that's holding these, y'all, it just depends on what type of activity is getting ready to take place, okay? You just have to do it that way. Even the back comb can be, just make sure that your base is not tight. That's the bottom line. The flatter it is, the better. But just get it as flat as you can get it without squeezing it tight, honey. No, okay? Get it as flat as you can, get it comfortably. But these curls are very cute. We're gonna comb through these curls. I don't wanna just leave it like this. Their shipping is fast, just like it says on the website. 100% human hair, yes. Hair color mixed blonde, hairline pre-plucked, adjustable strap, yes. The circumference is 22.5 inches, and it is a left side part. You can part this anywhere in this closure area. Now, you don't come too far off to the side with pride. You can come off to the side, but not with pride, okay? Because the closer you come over here, you're going to run into cap right there. And that's not what we called out here to do, okay? They have the part stopping right here, but y'all don't have to do that. I'm going to get every last bit of the part. I can keep it going all the way back there. I desire a Moses part, okay? You got to make that part long and strong so the children and the grandmamas and stuff feel secure. Otherwise, they ain't going over there. Them horses and stuff and them folk trying to get them folk, they soon behind them. Them folk got to get across that water. So that part got to, bam, it's got to hit. And it's got to hit in your wigs too, okay? And I didn't say wide. It's got to be parted enough. But you know, if it's too wide, then them folk on them horses coming in there. You don't want it too wide, because when they get to tiptoeing in there, you want it to be like, y'all know the story. If all goes well, yeah. If all goes well, this may just be another successful episode of No Influencer Privilege. I got my grip cap on. Hold on. Real quick. Maybe I did. Hold on. Let me readjust the child. Wow. Take some of the heat off of it. Come up off of it a little bit. So this is where we are with it, y'all. This is what we looking like. You see the plucktivity that I was talking about? So they plucked it. It's not just a thick line straight across. You see? They plucked it. And y'all, if you have specific wigs that you want me to try from these vendors, let me know that as well. When you give your vendor requests, if there's a specific wig that you actually want to see, let me know. But as far as this one, yes. Yeah, so far so good. I'm a stylist, so don't go anywhere. But listen, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Hit that thumbs up, y'all. That type of stuff really, really, really helps. Last but not least, thank you so much for all the birthday love. Y'all had a sister feeling warm, honey. Y'all just had me all kind of warm and happy. And I was just so overwhelmed, y'all. Thank you. I appreciate that so much. Happy birthday to all my birthday twins. Happy birthday to everybody whose birthday is the day after mine. I have cousins who share the same birthday a day after me. Happy birthday to you all. Happy birthday to everybody. Everybody who is finna have a birthday every day. Happy birthday to y'all, man. Celebrate life. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate you guys so much as well. Now, let's get to this wig. Let's see. Hold on.